Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download music from the YouTube audio library step by step. The YouTube audio library offers free music and sound effects that you can use in your YouTube videos, making it a great resource for content creators. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you're signed in to the YouTube account you want to use. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select YouTube Studio. After YouTube Studio opens, look at the menu on the left-hand side and scroll to the bottom. Click on Audio Library. You'll now see a large collection of free music tracks and sound effects available to download. If you're looking for a specific type of music, use the filters at the top of the page to sort tracks by genre, mood, artist, duration, or license type. You can also use the search bar to find a particular song or artist. Before downloading, click the play button next to any track to preview how it sounds. Once you've found the music you want, move to the right side of the track and click the download icon. The music file will immediately begin downloading to your computer. Before using the track in your video, check the license information. Some tracks don't require attribution, while others require you to copy and include the credit provided in your video description. After the download is complete, you'll find the music file in your computer's Downloads folder, ready to use in your video editing software. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded music from the YouTube audio library. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more YouTube tips and content creation tutorials. See you in the next video.